Hey, 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 hey. That's right. Thanks for visiting Huntington Beach, Surf City, USA. But we're not leaving. We're arriving. It is Beachcruisers Saturday. Downtown Pier Plaza. We are the center of town. 200 block. Right at the fountain. The famous Surf City Classics cruise down every week. Let's take a little walk, see the early staging. Who's all here? I think you got Willie, you got Ernie, Surfing USA, Woody. Yeah, good morning, guys. Check it out, Surf City Classics is stout right here, huh? Look at that. We got the lineup. Do we got the spots or what?
You guys see this truck?
Hold on, Daryl. That's Daryl's truck. Raising Cane, 39. How about that? That'd be Gary Olmus. Hey, Ernie.
Good morning.
Good morning. Oh, Jamie's in the house. Hey, Brian, what up?
What's up, baby?
Early birds, huh?
Early bird gets a worm, huh?
It was
4 o'clock at Lake Park this morning. Surf City Classics had at least, I think we had like 10, 12 cars lined up at 4 this morning. I got there. We rolled down here. We had a good morning. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be sunny out. We got the whole crew here. We're going to have fun, Dano.
Yeah, that's a cool jacket you got on there. Turn around. Let's see what the... Wow, how cool that is, huh?
I don't have the cool one like you yet.
Oh, I see. You mean like this one?
Yeah, like that one.
Oh!
I got dogs.
Look at that, huh? Woo! We got some hot rods. Yeah. What up? What you doing? Good morning. You taking a day off? That's a Dan delivery. Huntington Beach parking control. This block is yet to be filled, but it will be. You wait and see. Come down when the daylight's on. It's gonna be rocking and rolling. HB Beachcruisers, right, Robert? Yeah, let's pause this and get down to the other end. All right. As you know, we're soldiering on back down. It's early morning. It's not even 6 o'clock yet. We've infiltrated the downtown streets of Huntington Beach. The hot rods and classics. Nice, huh? I think that's Russell's. That's Tommy's. That Honda, how about that? Fits right in, don't it? 79. Corvette. 57. That candy apple. That's nice, huh? Back it up, back it up. Yeah, I got 3 deuces in this Chevelle, Malibu rather. Look at that, double nickel, not a Nomad. It's a 110 post, Mike Miller's Cougar 70 Cougar, looking good in yellow. B-dub buses. Yeah. Hey, Ken, what up? That'd be Ken Stanton. Good morning.
Good morning.
What'd you bring?
Brought the panel.
Okay. All right. Cool. Walk the line. Let's walk the line. Registration line, that is. Dollar Nomad. Got a 40 Ford. Yeah, good morning. Fat fenders. Cool.
Dano.
Who is this? This is Gene. What up, Gene? How you doing? Wow. That's pretty early and long ride from you over Linda.
I know.
Gene Hopkins in his 32. Yeah. Another fat fender. Look at that. Drop down top. Wide whites. Yeah. Oh, we got Lee. 23T Lee. To the right. Look at you. That'd be Lee in his 23T.